Alright, we are back in Sepang Circuit again today, and today we are here for the Gazoo Racing 2021 round 1. So as usual, you can see still no spectator allowed. That's why they do it in Sepang Circuit. It's a bit easier to control the crowd with the SOP, and because of the spectator is not allowed, so many can't come to the event for enjoy and watch the race, also for pit walkabout and so on, right? So today I will bring you guys walk around for pit walkabout at Gazoo Racing Malaysia 2021. Alright, let's start, let's go. Okay, now we are at this I should say one of the biggest team, ST Wangan. Okay, this is the Clementio, the driver, Adam Khalid. Busy day, boss.
Hello.
How's everything?
Good. All good.
How is the last race yesterday?
I'm happy with the result.
Everybody doing well?
Yeah, not too bad.
How about the mechanical side? Or maintenance good?
Actually, we encountered some gearbox problem for certain car.
Okay.
Yeah, but not all.
Managed to solve on time?
Yes.
Alright, good. So we have a tour with your pits?
Sure.
Thank you. So they have totally 8 cars. 8 cars, right? 8 cars under ST Wangan. So this is all the cars under ST Wangan. Alright, we shall go to the next pit. This team looks very Japanese, with all the Japanese art, lively. So Japanese look, and even that one, right? So let's go with the next pit, Harums Motorsport. Now here will come another pit. You look at this abang, very focused on the detailing. Good. With the pit here, number 33. This is a driver, Amero and Sultan. Alright, this is a last year champion. So this is the car they are preparing now. Can see all stock engine. With a new model of Vios. Oh, preparing. speed. Wow, this one is really standard, man. Even the engine cover is around. A lot of very nice lively here, especially this one with a lot of chrome stickers. I should say everybody run the same suspension, and it's only depend on your setup, high low. Not much you can do, and you only can adjust high or low, and everybody running the same one. The Vios, one of our fans. This is one of our YouTube fans. How are you, man?
Hello, hello, hello.
Everything okay?
So far so good.
So can you explain a bit about this speed for all this car?
Actually, this piece for those celebrity artists for them lah. You know.
Okay, this is all the
All the
ambassador
celebrity.
and celebrities lah.
Yeah. And our chief manager, Mr. Akio Takayama. You know.
Okay, alright. So how everything for the last race yesterday?
Actually, they say as raining a bit raining lah. Some of the driver skid out, slightly accident, but we still can manage it there.
It's much better than the street circuit, right? I
Yes,
think
yes.
the
Yes,
accident will be less.
Yeah, very less,
Less crash
Those
and-
minor accident only.
Oh, okay.
Minor accident. You know.
So everything okay?
Yeah, so far so good.
So can you tour around who is the top guys for your Gazoo Racing celebrity?
Can show you.
Come.
Our top racer we usually based on the timing usually Shukri Yaya. Shukri Yaya, the car number
Sukri Yaya.
Shukri Yaya, the car number 4.
Number
Number 24.
So we are lucky enough to have a Gazoo Racing mechanic to tour us around.
Actually,
This is the car.
this is the car 24. Shukri Yaya.
Okay, so we have to watch out for this car for today. So there's some damage here.
Yeah. Slightly damaged lah.
Slightly damage. Not much lah.
Managed to do it.
Alright, but still looking good for today.
Yeah.
It's all prepared for today. Everything prepared.
Prepared for today race. The second race 2, we got the race 2.
Today is race 2,
Yeah, race 2. Yeah.
So what's the result for your the celebrity? Is only the celebrity one race, right?
Yes, only celebrity. Only celebrity only. We call it promotional class.
Okay, promotional class for the celebrity. Totally, how many drivers?
10 drivers, including our chief manager, Akio Takayama.
Even he also driving.
Yeah, he's also driving.
Okay, so how is his position?
Yesterday position is not the qualifying day, if not mistaken, he's on number 3 or number 4. No?
So for the promotion class, is all the male and female driver joined together?
Yes, all female, male and female.
Totally, there's 10 drivers.
Yes, 10 drivers.
Oh, so this is all the 10 cars lah.
We got 3 new artists who are joining this year. You know.
Okay, who are they?
Mr. Zizan
Razak, alright.
And Ain.
Okay, this is Zizan Razak car. Yeah, Zizan Razak also with Gazoo Racing this year.
We got Miss Talita Tan.
Talita Tan is a musician.
Yeah, musician. Car number 11. Yeah.
Talita Tan. Okay, we are tour around the new artist for 2021, and
Another Ahiruddin.
Ahirin. Okay, this is another very popular celebrity, which is
he got play some motocross. If not
yes,
mistaken,
yeah. She also a rider, and
Yeah.
she now is a driver.
Actually, based from yesterday, the qualifying time for Talita Ahiruddin is not. It's quite good also.
Okay, not bad. So she can drive,
Yes. Both of them can drive now.
All right, good. So what is the biggest issue you guys have faced for this Sepang circuit, as now they are into closed circuit compared to last year? This is a strict circuit, right?
Yes.
Very narrow, very small. Have you faced any issue?
Actually, facing some issue is actually not a big issue lah. Actually, for those new riders, some of them they are not familiar with the track, they are not familiar with the settings, so we have to. Means I go to discussion with them. We have to slow down with them, tell them everything, tell them how the car setting, how we set up everything. Then we have to tell them,
Alright.
So listen, but they still can understand,
They are good lah.
Yeah, they're good.
Alright, cool. So we are looking forward for the final race for today, the round 2, right?
Yeah, they are round to race 2.
Race 1, round 1, round 2 race.
Season 4 race 1.
Alright. So okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Right.
Okay, bye.
So we have a look and we hope all goes well and we're looking forward for the race. Yep guys. So this is the pit walkabout for Gazoo Racing Malaysia 2021 round 1, yeah. So for those who cannot enter, of course no spectator allowed. So that's why we bring you for the pit walkabout. So hope you guys enjoy.